What's good? What's Gucci? I'm talking well because I'm finna do a prank on my brother. I'm gonna be doing maybe more pranks, but the first one is a sneezing prank. So let's see my new intro.
Bring it back like she loves some. Bring it back like she loves some. In the club with the lights off, but you acting shy for. Come and show me that you're with it, with it, with it, with it, with it. Stop playing, now you know that I'm with it, with it, with it, with it, with it, with it. What you acting shy for?
Just give me you, just give me you, just give me you. That's all I wanna do. And if what they say is true, if it's true, I'ma give it to you. I may take a lot of stuff, guaranteed I can back it up. I think I'ma call you bluff. Hurry up, I'm waiting out front. You see me in the spotlight, ooh, whatever your style. Show me what you got, cause I don't wanna waste my time. See me in the spotlight, ooh, whatever your style. Show me what you got now, come and make it worth my while. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it.
Tied in my hand. Oh, got my phone, but have some tied in my hand so I can make it look like I sneezed on him. We're gonna be singing. You hear him singing. I'm gonna be setting up the camera, and y'all are gonna see his reaction. So let's get to it. He left out, y'all. He left out. So I'm just gonna make it so y'all can kind of see.
See, like what? Why you sneeze on me? Why you sneeze on me? This stupid thing! You irritated. You was recording me. Hey. Why your hands wet? You little plant! Oh, my face thing now. Hey,
It was a part of the whole prank.
y'all just irritated. Stop it! Stop!
That prank was hilarious. That's it for this video today.